Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block a PayPal user. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, make sure that you're logging into your account. And in my case, I'm using the web app. So basically to block any user, you will be needing to go to contacts first. And basically to go to the contacts, there are two ways. You will need you will be needing to go to the send and the request panel, and from there you will be able to go and find your contacts. So basically here, if I go and click on send, I will be able to find this send, request, contacts, and more. So from here you will find some other things, and what we are interested in is the contacts. And you can do it also from here, but this one will take you directly to send or request, etc. And you can get to this same tab. So basically, in the mobile app, I think it's something like request payments or some tab uh, similar to that. And from that, you will be able to find your contacts. And basically, you will be needing just to search for the contacts that you want to block. For example, you will be searching to uh, blocked contact or whatever, and then it will be showing here as a list. You will need just to click on this contact, and from there, you will find the block option. And by blocking this user, he will not be able to send you payments or neither you can see send him payments. And if you want to deblock the person or to deblock the people that you have blocked, you can simply just go to the view blocked contacts. So here you click on it, and basically here you'll find the list of the blocked contacts. And from now, you will need just to click on the blocked contacts, and basically you will just click on unblock, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.